Fast food tier list. Kicking us off with Checkers. Checkers gets an A tier. Next is Burger King. I usually never eat at Burger King. C tier. Next is Chick-fil-A. Chick-fil-A is overrated. D tier. Next is McDonald's. McDonald's gets C tier. I mean, it's convenient. That's literally its only purpose. Next up, we got Sonic. Sonic, I usually never come here for food. It's literally only the slushes we get at Sonic. D tier. Wendy's, C tier. Next, we got Subway. Subway gets an S tier. Subway is my personal favorite restaurant.